Okay, there's the wedge bull flag with 26 and 31, and it's also a double bottom. And it's a bull bar, so it's probably okay. I would only be scalping because outside of the very first run of the day, the market's been mostly two-sided, and two-sided means trading range means scalping. So to me, I would only be scalping. Good looking breakout attempt up to 39, new high of the day, expanding triangle with 23 and 29. Doji signal bar at 40, I think that's not ideal, so I didn't short it. It actually looked better on the spider for a short. I'm trading the E-mini, and it didn't look good enough. Okay, you got a 2-bar reversal with 39 and 41, even though it's over 3 bars. Technically, shorting below its low is okay, but I'm still stuck with the problem of the biggest pullback being 9 ticks, and for me to be shorting, 6 ticks down, I need the market to go 6 more ticks. So that means I'm betting on a 12-tick pullback, and I'm not willing to do that. 2-bar bear spike to the moving average, doji, another push down to 45, maybe a little micro wedge with 42, 43, 45. The market may go sideways here. I'm not going to buy the first breakout of this micro channel. 46 is the breakout, and I thought it was interesting. 47 was the breakout. I thought it was interesting that 48 dipped down to the 47 low, and it made me wonder if the 48 low was a breakout pullback. So instead of looking to short, I became less interested in shorting for a potential lower high. To me, that was a confusing piece of price action. I was hoping for a lower high to short, but leading to a breakout pullback from the micro channel. But the 48 low might have been the breakout pullback. I'm not buying above 48. It's a little too high up. Market at 51 tried to set up the lower high short. It's trying to enter a tight trading range. I personally became concerned in here. I originally was going to try to short at 18.5, and the 48 low confused me, so I decided not to short. Okay, breakout pullback at 52. I'm not interested in buying this top close to the top of the trading range. Second attempt down at 54, outside down bar. Then you got IOI at 55, but it didn't break to the downside. Instead, it broke to the upside in a high 2 long. To me, the past few hours just aren't bullish enough for me to be buying up there. The market didn't care. It kept working up in a bull channel. I had to break out at 58. At this point, I suspect that breakouts aren't going to go far. Look what happened at 9 and 13 over here. And then 18, a little bit of a breakout. 21, no follow through. Attempt up at 39. So chances are this breakout is not going to go all that far. Big tail at the top of 59. A larger expanding triangle top, closed below the midpoint. But I'm not going to short the first attempt down from a bull channel on a bull trend day, where the biggest pullback has only been 11 ticks so far. Bear inside bar at 60, but again, I'm not interested in shorting. I'll short a second attempt at a higher high, and I'll buy a high 2, but I'm not going to be doing anything in the meantime. 62, I think, is a bad-looking high 1. The spike up to 59 is just not that strong. I'm not shorting the lower high at 65, and we may just form a little triangle here. But it turns out those who did short it were able to scalp out a profit. Small wedge bull flag here with 61, 66, and 68. A little tricky. Outside up, I don't like to buy as it's going outside up unless the bar before is a buy signal, and I don't think that 67 was a good enough high 2 to buy. Okay, this is changing things a little bit. We've got another bull bar right after 68, same high, and then a bear bar at 70. I don't think this is great trading. I'd rather have it trade down and trap bears below 69 or 70 and then turn up. But bull trend day, and it's a two-legged bull flag at the moving average. I think it's probably worth a try buying above 69. Okay, entry bar on 71, bad follow through on 72. To me, I'm going to put my stop below 71 at this point. It's a decent looking bull bar. Okay, decent follow through on 73. We might be getting a channel. The scalpers took out their profit here, 6 ticks above the 68, 69 signal bar. To me, the channel up is a little too steep and too strong to look for shorts, despite the double top with 59 or 60. I think there'll be buyers below, but at this point, on the swing part of my trade, I'm putting my stop below the most recent bull trend bar, which is the 73 low. Tested it to the tick, created a 2-bar reversal at 76. I did not add on up there. It's too high up on a day which has been mostly a relatively weak trading range day. You know, we're only up 4 points in over 4 hours, so I don't want to be buying at the high. Now you got IOI basically with 77. You know, it's theoretically a buy signal, especially since the market could run up to the 24-25 high of the year, but I did not add on. Good bull trend bar on 79, so that let me put my stop up at just below the 79 low. Actually, by the time the bar closed, I think even before the bar closed, I moved my stop to the low itself. Weak bar at 80. You know, it's another new high on the day, and I put my stop below its low. And last bar of the day, 81. I exited probably somewhere in the around a third of the way up when it started to hesitate. Going into tomorrow, we obviously are having very strong looking days on the daily chart. The market is just racing up here in a very strong bull trend. So there's a chance that the market could gap up tomorrow and then get a measured move up from the height of this trading range over the past month. Weekly chart, let me see where that would project. Somewhere up around 1300 if it breaks out. Monthly chart, we're on the verge of going above a bear reversal bar. Let me get rid of that trend line. Obvious targets up above, you know, the prior buy signals, which would be there, and then again here. I don't know if we get there, and I don't know if we reverse down tomorrow. But on the daily chart, the past 2 days have been very, very impressive. 60-minute chart, you know, clearly a strong bull breakout. So even if we pull back, I think that the market will at least make another attempt at a new high.